Hey, what's up YouTube? And in today's video I'll be showing you how to get Sony Vegas Pro 15, the full version, for free. This is the latest version of Sony Vegas Pro. To start off, I have links down in the description that you need to click on, and the link will include a WinRAR download in order to actually extract the file. So once you have WinRAR downloaded, what you need to do is just head over to my second link down in the description and you will get this mega.nz link, and this is the actual link that contains the Sony Vegas Pro 15 setup file and the cracked version. So once you hit paste, this should load up, and just go ahead and click on the download button right here and just download it to your computer. And once this actually gets downloaded, it should just pop up right here in the lower left corner. Now let's just wait for this to be finished. So there we go. Let's just go ahead and click to open it. This is why we actually downloaded WinRAR. Click cross on any pop-up that you get. Just go ahead and click on extract to. And for the purpose of this video, I am just going to extract it to my desktop, and it should begin the extraction process and wait till it finishes extracting. Now I will close this WinRAR and minimize my browser, and it should be right here in a folder on my desktop. So now just double click to open it. This is what you need to click on in order to actually get Sony Vegas Pro 15 on your computer. And now it has opened up the Sony Vegas Pro 15 installation wizard. So of course English. Next. I have read the end user whatever. Next. Select your suitable installation folder. Create a shortcut on my desktop and click install. Now wait for the installation wizard to install Vegas Pro 15.0 in your computer.
Like a broken soul in a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by.
So there we go. Vegas Pro 15 has been successfully installed. So just go ahead and click on the finish button and it should give you a little icon of Vegas Pro 15. Now what you need to do is go ahead and head over to this archived file. It's a RAR file, so right click extract here. So now you have finished extracting it, just go ahead and double click to run. And this should open up. Do not change anything, do not click browse, leave it as it is and click on the next button. And there we go, Vegas Pro 15 has been successfully patched. So now you changed a trial version of Vegas Pro 15 into a full version. So just go ahead and click on the finish button. You are actually done. So in order to show that this actually works, I'm gonna go ahead and double click to open it. I'm going to click cross. So as you can see, Vegas Pro 15 has successfully opened up, and this is actually the full version.
And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side.
So now you can see in the about that version 15.0, the product is licensed to team.v.r@ukr.net. Serial number is this and machine ID is this. So that's Vegas Pro 15 for you, the full version for free. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and smack that like button. It didn't tell me that I am doing good job and that you guys want more of these videos, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon in order to stay tuned to future uploads. So yeah, this is how to get the full version of Sony Vegas Pro completely free. Please share this video with your friends and folks in order to help them out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.